Hello everyone. Welcome to the introduction video for Textarea. Textarea is a decentralized NFT text derivative. For those who are unfamiliar with NFT terms, an NFT derivative is an NFT project created by making use of creative assets. An example of this is creating digital art and placing an NFT value on them. When taken to a high level, we get popular collections like Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks. In Textarea's case, it revolves around text. Let's see how it works. First, the basic unit of Textarea is word. The price of the word mint is 0 ETH, which means users only need to spend gas fees to mint their word NFT on the word page. Let's take the word decentralized as an example. Let's enter decentralized. Click the button Claim and wait for MetaTask to be called up. Click the button Confirm and wait for the transaction to go through. When the transaction is successful, we get the word incredible coined as an NFT. We can find the word NFT in our OpenSea profile. The minting of word NFTs will obey these rules. 1. Words can only consist of consecutive letters or numbers. 2. Special symbols cannot be used in words. 3. Words are not case sensitive. 4. The same word cannot be generated repeatedly. Every word is unique. 5. The following 24 words are considered common, will not be claimed by anyone, and will not incur any cost when used to create sentences. They are I, you, he, she, it, am, are, were, is, was, be, do, does, did, have, has, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, and might. Next is the sentence page. On the sentence page, we can mint sentence NFTs, just like how we did with word NFTs. Let's demonstrate this with Ethereum is decentralized. First, we enter the sentence, Ethereum is decentralized. And here, we can use the 6-bit color value to turn the sentence into any color we like. Then, click the button Claim and wait for MetaMask to be called up. Click the button Confirm and wait for the transaction to go through. When the transaction is successful, we get the sentence NFT, Ethereum is decentralized. Similarly, we can find the sentence NFT in our OpenSea profile. Because the word decentralized is used in the sentence, the creator of the word NFT decentralized will have earned 0.01 ETH. We can find our earnings on the page Word Rewards. We can click Withdraw to extract our earnings. Click Confirm Transaction. After the transaction is successful, ETH will be transferred to your address. In Textarea, you can continue to generate profits as long as you own a certain word NFT. It feels as exciting as owning an Ethereum miner. The minting of sentence NFTs will obey these rules. 1. Sentences can only consist of one or more words displayed within a fixed pixel area. 2. The minimum number of words that make up a sentence is 1, and the maximum number of words cannot exceed a fixed pixel area of 11 lines. 3. Sentences can be minted regardless of whether the user owns the word NFT or not. 4. Sentences with similar content cannot be minted again. 5. Sentences with different colors but the same content cannot be minted again. 6. The mint cost of each sentence depends on the number of words it uses. Every new word in the sentence adds 0.01 ETH to the mint cost. 7. Punctuation, spaces, carriage returns, and the 24 common words mentioned before will not incur any cost from the user when making sentences. 8. In the same sentence, repeated words will only generate a mint cost of 0.01 ETH. The economic relationship between words and sentences. When the user mints a sentence, the ETH paid by the user for using the word will be owned by the holder of the word NFT. If the word has no holder, all ETH generated from using the word will be transferred to a pool of open contracts, contact addresses, and all ETH in this pool will be distributed to liquidity providers of text tokens as rewards. Synthesis and disassembly of NFT and sentence. This is a very creative attempt by Textarea, and we think that this innovative feature will be exciting in the Web3 world. You need to use MetaMask to connect and log in to the synthesis page. Then click the plus sign above. Add the contract address of the NFT in your wallet. Wait for it to load, then select the NFT. Your NFT will have been added above. Next, click on the plus sign below. Choose a sentence NFT that you want to synthesize with the NFT above. Click the button Approve and wait for MetaMask to be activated. Confirm the approval of 2 NFTs and wait for the transaction to go through. When the transaction is approved, click Synthesize and confirm. This process will reward you with a certain amount of text tokens. Wait for the transaction to go through. Once the transaction is successful, you will have successfully obtained the synthesized NFT, and you can find this NFT on the OpenSea marketplace. If you want to disassemble this NFT to get the original sentence NFT and another original NFT, you can click on the Disassemble page. Make sure that the amount of text tokens in your wallet is equal to or more than the number of text tokens awarded to you when synthesizing. Then click the Teardown button. Wait for MetaMask to be called upon and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to go through. Once the transaction has been successful, you will get the previous 2 NFTs, and the disassembled NFT will have been destroyed. You can confirm this on your OpenSea profile. Points to pay attention to. 1. The 2 NFTs that were synthesized will not disappear. They will be stored in a secure contract, and the code of the contract will be open source. 2. The only way to take out the 2 synthesized NFTs is to dismantle them. 3. The synthesis action will generate the text token, and the amount of output depends on the total historical OpenSea transaction volume of the synthesized NFT. 4. The dismantling action needs to return the text token, and the amount returned is the same as the amount of text produced when it was synthesized. Here we can derive an interesting thing. The synthesized NFT will continue to be synthesized with sentences, and this process can be repeated indefinitely. This means that topic discussions based on a certain NFT will have the opportunity to be accumulated on the chain all the time, and its value will increase as the number of accumulated sentences increases. Imagine the value of an NFT if Vitalik Buterin adds a decentralized comment to it one day. Therefore, we can speculate that the synthesis will bring qualitative changes to the original NFT. An NFT with a personal signature or text discussion will bring more personality and value to the holder. Text token and staking. The text token is the official token of the Textarea project and will be used for project governance and related contest voting. Its total supply is currently 170 million pieces, and the distribution ratio of tokens is shown in the following structure. 15% team members, 25% staking reward, 50% synthesis bonus, 5% of Uniswap's initial liquidity, 5% mirror crowdfunding. Staking text will get double rewards for WETH and text. WETH reward. The ETH profit generated by all words without a master being used when making sentences. Text rewards. A total of 42,500,000 text token rewards will be released to stakers within 720 days. The reward is halved every 90 days, with 237 and 37 text released per day in the first cycle. Let's see how it works when staking. First, we go to the staking page. Enter the amount of text you want to stake. Click the Approve button. Confirm the approval and wait for the transaction to go through. After the approval is successful, click Stake. Confirm the transaction and wait for the transaction to go through. Once the transaction is successful, our text will have been staked. Under the Reward to Collect page, you can withdraw the ETH profit generated by the staking. If you want to unstake and withdraw the tax profit generated by the staking, we can do so on the Unstake page. Enter the amount you would like to unstake. Click on Unstake and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to succeed. Once the transaction is successful, the text will be returned to your wallet. Now, almost all PFP-type NFT projects are artificially creating scarcity by predetermining the total number. This method is not healthy because the value of an item cannot be judged directly based on how small or large it is. The real value should be reflected in the application scenarios of NFT, which is exactly what Textarea is pursuing. We prefer to compare Textarea to a text version of the metaverse, which is based on an infinite combination of words and sentences that can expand on a huge Web3-based text ecosystem. At the same time, another difference between us and other NFT projects is that we have issued text tokens at the very beginning of the project, while giving it actual functions and application scenarios. This has helped us reach more Web3 user groups, and they have been given generous incentives through the staking function of text. Textarea will start the text token crowdfunding on mirror.xyz at the beginning of September. If you have any questions about the project or would like to know more about the project, please follow us on Twitter and join our Discord. We look forward to you joining. Thank you for watching. Textarea team.